Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout, and I'm just showing you that this is the past November, December kits, and that is all that I have left from those kits. And then I'm going to show you the current kit for November, which I end up not using on this particular layout, so that's why I'm calling this past November, December 2020 kit. Because I end up using the papers and cardstock that is left over from other kits that I got, and yeah, and the die cuts that you saw. And this is Theo underneath the Christmas tree, our first Christmas here, so that would have been last year. And that pattern layer there is from Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. That was the November 2020 kit. Thank you. So I was just turning around cutting because my cutter is behind me. I did invest in a cutter bug. Oh my goodness. I did invest in a cutter bug. And I love it. So I am going to put everything at an angle on purpose. I'm going to put it crooked. Oh, well, maybe that. Oh, shoot. No, that's the right one. That stripe pattern is a scrap left over from the last year's November 2020 kit. So either way, like I said, I'm going to put it crooked on purpose. So if you think, whoa, that's not straight, it's on purpose. I always put everything straight and everything has to be perfect. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make it a crooked on purpose. It was hard, let me tell you. Because I kept wanting to put my paper crooked to put everything on there. I was like, nope, put it straight. Especially for my title. My title, I wanted it straight. I didn't want it to go with the angle of the paper. I wanted it to go straight. So all the chipboard stickers, which are the record, the la la la, the house, the stamp, the tree, the puffy sticker, everything Merry. Those are all the chipboard stickers that are Hip Kit Club's Keeping It Cozy, or Keeping Cozy. I have a puffy sticker, which is from the November or December kit. And then the stamp is a chipboard. And that one is, I'm pretty sure that one's keeping cozy. And then I have these vellum stars, which are past kits. And then I have this clear ornament, which is of course either November or December kit, and also are the die cuts, as you can see there. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I just that picture there. I'm like, what the? So there you see, that's, oh man, I covered it. I was almost going to use that tape, but I didn't. I do use the cards. I don't use that house that you see me with. And that's the record. And I use that poinsettia down by the record. I don't use it where I had it. The actually chipboard sticker that you see sitting above the top of the layout, that's what I use there at the top of the photo. There you go. I don't use that clear sticker, which I tried to, but I was like, no. I was going to do Celebrate the Season as my title, but I decided no. And then those clear vellum. And then there's that. Oh, that's Merry Everything. So those look like stamps. They're postage stamps. Those are Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything. Patton, what are you doing on my table? Get in. No, no. Come here. And then I have that puppy sticker. And then that phrase sticker is from a past kit. I don't know which one it's from because I've had it for so long. It may have been from the 2020 or 2019. I'm not sure. Whenever I don't use all of the Christmas or fall, I throw them in a separate drawer. So I'm going to do Everything is Merry is American Crafts Simplicity Thickers. Right there. I just cut it out. I don't even put it on wax paper. What are you doing up there? Go check on Reese when I'm done with this video. And so, once I get my title down, that is pretty much all I do for this layout. So, when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.